Welcome to our channel. Today we will see how can we use Python to perform any Google search. Okay, so for this we need one module Google. So to install it, go to terminal and type pip install Google. Okay, just click enter and it will get installed. So now let's see how can we perform the Google search using Python. So just type try and from Google search import search. Okay, and then type accept import error and we will print like there is no module. Okay, so why we are doing this? If there is problem in importing the Google, right, that Google module, then you will be thrown to this line. Okay, using the accept import error, right? So now let's move forward and let me type query and insert this copy assignment. Okay, sorry. So now let me apply one for loop for I in search. Inside this just type query. Okay, and just print I. So what we did here, we have created a variable with the name query and inside that we are storing copy assignment. Okay, and copy assignment here is the keyword which we want to search on Google, right? So anything you want to search using Python here, then just type it inside the query variable and just apply the for loop. Okay, so let me run the program. So here you can see that copyassignment.com website it's showing in the search results and the others as well. So it will show you infinitely until you don't terminate the program. Okay, so you can also apply the stop, which means the number of search terms you want to show, right? So here I want only 10. So let me run the program again. So here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so only 10 results it's showing because I applied here stop equals 10. Okay, so this way we can perform any Google search using Python, right? So friends, that's all for this video, but there is one more thing I need to tell you. This is the copyassignment.com website. This is made for Python, and if you face any errors in our videos, right, so you can go to this website and just go to the ask questions and click on all questions. Okay, and if you want to ask any question, you can just click on this ask question. Okay, or you can also ask question from here, right? So here we give answer to mostly questions asked here. Okay, but you can also give answer to the questions if you know, right? If you face any error in the videos on our channel Tech21, then you should visit our website, right? You can comment as well, but it is recommended you to ask here. Okay, on this website copyassignment.com, because in comments we cannot answer you, means it's not that much handy to answer there, right? But here it's so much easy to answer here. For example, all questions, here we can see mostly questions, and we can answer as well, right? Here, and you can see your answer, so anybody can comment and anybody can give answer here, right? So that's all for this tutorial, guys. Tell us how was the video, and see you in the next videos.